Hello everyone, here is a question to think about. Have you ever noticed how your favorite brands always seem to know exactly what you need next? That's no coincidence. Smart businesses use strategies like sales funnels, upselling, and product expansion to grow their revenue and keep customers coming back. In this lecture, we will learn how businesses create effective sales funnels, encourage upsells, and expand their products or service offerings to achieve revenue growth. In this lecture, you will be able to understand what sales funnels are and how they work, learn how upselling can increase revenue, explore strategies for expanding product or service offerings. A sales funnel is a step by step process businesses use to turn potential customers into paying customers. It has three main stages. The top of the funnel is where customers become aware of the product or service. Businesses often use ads, social media, or content to attract attention. For example, Nike uses inspirational videos to capture the interest of athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The middle of the funnel is where customers start considering the product. They may compare options, read reviews, or look for discounts. Businesses help at this stage by offering helpful information and demonstrating value. The bottom of the funnel is where customers decide to buy. A clear call to action like buy now or sign up today encourages them to complete the purchase. A well designed funnel keeps customers engaged and increases the likelihood of sales. Imagine planning a trip. First, you decide where you want to go. Awareness. Then, you research the best route and pack your bags. Consideration. Finally, you reach your destination. Purchase. A sales funnel works the same way. It guides customers step by step from learning about a product to buying it. Upselling is encouraging customers to buy a more expensive version of a product or add extra features. It's like when a fast food restaurant asks you if you would like to make your meal a large size. This simple question increases the restaurant's revenue while offering the customer more value. Apple is an expert in upselling. When you buy an iPhone, they suggest accessories like AirPods or Apple Watch. These recommendations often lead to higher sales because they make the customer's experience better. Upselling works best when it feels helpful, not pushy. Businesses that upsell successfully focus on customers' needs and preferences. Businesses grow their revenue by introducing new products or services that complement what they already offer. For example, Amazon started as an online bookstore. Over time, it expanded into electronics, groceries, and even streaming services. Expanding does not mean offering random products. It's about meeting the needs of your existing customers. A clothing brand might introduce a line of accessories or shoes to complete its outfits. Successful expansion requires research. Businesses need to understand what customers want and whether the new offering fits their brand. Sales funnels, upselling, and product expansion work together to maximize revenue. Businesses attract customers through a funnel, increase their spending through upselling, and keep them coming back with new offerings. Pick a brand you like. Research its sales funnel, upselling methods, and product expansion strategies. Write a one-page summary explaining how these strategies help the brand grow its revenue. In summary, leveraging sales and revenue growth involves creating effective sales funnels, upselling to increase spending, and expanding product offerings to meet customer needs. Together, these strategies drive business success. Let's discuss. Have you ever experienced upselling or noticed a brand expanding its products? How did it make you feel as a customer? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.